Maintenance. Maintenance. Clean the cultivator after use. Tighten bolts and nuts. Frequently grease all moving parts. 2. Harrows. Used for destroying clods to get a fine tilth. Maintenance of harrows. Grease discs, bearings. Clean harrows. Tighten bolts and nuts. Replace worn-out parts. Planting implements. 1. Planters. Used for planting seed. Can be used to apply fertilizer. Parts. Discs, parts or shares that penetrate soil. Seed box, a box where seed is put or placed. Chute is the opening through which seed or fertilizer falls through. Maintenance of planters. Grease all moving parts. Tighten bolts and nuts. Check bearings and replace worn-out ones. Ridger. Used to build up ridges. Used to earth potatoes, groundnuts, etc. Adjustment of a ridger. Width of rows between ridges can be adjusted by moving the disc mounting on the toolbar, setting them closer together or further apart.